Hi, I'm Kelly Currie, and I come from a real estate family. My dad decided that he was tired of owning an office supply company in Livonia and decided to sell real estate where we live. And my mom and dad, my sister, and my brother and I all earned our licenses. I earned my license in 1991, sold real estate for a couple years and decided I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom full-time, so I raised my children and got back into real estate about 5 years ago. I am with eXp Realty. I got started partnering with Allen Edwin Homes through a client who was interested in a few of the homes that they had for sale. So those clients and I got to know Allen Edwin Homes together. I enjoy Allen Edwin Homes because of the quality of workmanship, the energy efficiency, the service that I receive from the sales reps. They're just beautiful homes. Inventory has brought my clients to Allen Edwin Homes. Lots of inventory, lots of different choices, good service from the sales rep. I love real estate because of the look on my clients' faces when I solve their problems. When we walk into a home and they get that, this is the home look on their faces. And when we're at the closing table, the look of peace on their faces as they move into selling their family homes. I love my clients. So what makes me different as a realtor from other realtors is that I will get you to the closing table in the shortest time with the most money with the least amount of hassles. Allen Edwin's home saves me time. They're very efficient. They do the paperwork, and although I'm a control freak, I really trust my sales rep, so I know the paperwork's going to be taken care of. They're going to be honest with my clients, and it's really time efficiency. Allen Edwin Homes has helped me grow my business with inventory. As the inventory was lower over the summer, Allen Edwin Homes they always have inventory to show. They are in several counties. I live in Genesee County, and I grew up in Livingston County, so I have homes in all those counties, in both those counties, to show my clients.